Welcome to LeonCo, and on this week's video we will be talking about how can you make your wealth work for you. And so we decided to make this cartoonish kind of graph. We're not artists, we're financial advisors, so work with us here with this graph. And we wanted to show you how this cycle that we figured out, and we drawn it out so you can see it better, what we're trying to talk about. How can you make your wealth work for you? So let me first start explaining what each figure means. So on this first figure, we're talking about, you see sort of buildings, we will be talking about real estate. On the second figure, you can see this kind of graph, we'll be talking about your money and your stocks. On the third figure, you see a computer, papers, and a car. We'll be talking about a company, your company, a company that you work with. And finally, you see this cartoonish kind of person, and we'll be talking about you and how can you make you build your wealth. So we put in a cycle, and you can see the arrows pointing out each one, that you don't have a definite starting point and you don't have a definite ending point. So this is a cycle that goes never ending, it's always working, and you can go from each one to another. We put in this direction, but you can start wherever you want, and you can skip from one direction to another. There is no particular point of reference or a point of beginning and end. You can skip through each one as you please. So let's start. How can you make your wealth work for you? So first you have to define, where do you want to start building your wealth? In our previous videos, we talked about how can you build wealth from different points of perspective. So at this first point, you want to talk about if you want to start in real estate, if you want to start in stocks, if you want to start building a company, or you first want to invest in yourself, because it's one of the best investment points to invest in yourself, because you will always have a return rate higher than most of the other investments that you will make. So first you have to decide in which point of these you want to start. If you want to start with yourself, if you want to start investing in yourself, investing that wealth in yourself will help you get to whatever point that you want to start. So if you invest in yourself, in knowledge, in getting seminars, in schools, in getting better jobs, in building a better brand for yourself, you will be fixing and you're making your wealth work for you, because you're investing in yourself directly. Therefore, your wealth will be working as hard as you are. So you'll have all that return rate depending on how much hard work and how much effort you put into that work. So your wealth will be working everlasting if you decide to work hard and work smart in this. So if you decided to start with yourself investing your wealth, and then you wanted to go to real estate. If you go to real estate, you can use real estate to maybe rent your real estate, to sell your real estate, to buy real estate and make it grow. So in the time that you have invested wealth in yourself, not only are you making money on your own, but you will be making money with your real estate by renting it, by selling it. So your wealth will not only be getting bigger while you invest in real estate, but you will getting a different income, a stream of income, by renting some of your properties, maybe investing in them and then reselling them, or maybe you just have them as an asset to your company or as asset to yourself. So your wealth will be working for you while you are investing in yourself and you're working on your real estate. You will be having returns from what you invested in yourself, but you will also have return in your real estate. After you work in your real estate, you can go into your stock market, and to the stock market and making your money work for you, investing in solid companies, in opening POs, opening CDs, using your money to make it work for yourself. So while you're generating money on your own, maybe you're having a stable job, or you're just working on your other businesses, you're having money throughout your real estate, or you're renting and you're investing, and now you will be generating money and wealth by the stock market. Maybe you're investing in solid companies that are working on technology, on medicine, on health, on services. You're investing, and your money is not only being saved in a certain point of stocks, but you will also be creating wealth along the way. So after you put on your real estate yourself and on stocks, you can go and build your own brand. You can go and build your own company. And I know this is not for everyone. I know not everybody has this ambition, not everybody has the time or the effort, or just you don't envision yourself building your own company. But building your own company is one of the biggest assets that you can have, and one of the biggest opportunities that you could have to build wealth. Because if you're passionate about something that you do, if you have a passion for something and want to provide a service, you want to share this knowledge, you want to share this information with people, you can start your own company, you can start your own brand, and this could be one of the biggest things for you to build wealth, and not only build wealth, to maintain your wealth. So you can pass throughout that, investing in yourself, then in real estate, then in stocks, and then your company, and you can do it backwards. You can do investing in yourself, building a company, then going into stocks, and then going to the real estate, or you can do whichever works for you. But this is just a simple cycle that you can follow. You can go backwards or forward. You can do it however you like. You can go side to side. But this is a small example on how can you invest in different kinds of things. You can put your wealth in different kinds of things, have opportunities to build bigger wealth, to be more financially free and more financially stable by making your wealth work for you. So I hope this graph works for you. I hope this information is very useful for you. Leave us a comment, leave us a like, subscribe to our channel. Let us know what you think about this video. Check out our other videos, and always remember to have that king mentality.